communication between Eplan and Siemens Energy is very great. We are close in contact. My name is Dexl. I'm from Siemens Energy for traction transformers. Our company builds traction transformer for any kind of different trains. We use Eplan for circuit diagrams and we use P8 for that. In future, we will use Harness Pro D for cable wiring on our traction transformers. In networking and in communication with Eplan and Cideon, they helped us a lot to grow up with our processes. We are close in contact and we get a lot of help from Cideon and Eplan.